can't tell you how many people tell me that they would charge a certain amount of money if they could have people in front of them that had a budget that was higher. Hi, this is Bill. Welcome to Creative License once again, and thanks for being a part of my little dog and pony show. Of course, my sponsors are Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Promo Only, Perfect Portals, Disc Jockey News, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. If you want to know more, reach out to me. I got a couple of seats available for you. So, budgets. People, I think that's an easy thing for a lot of these people to tell me when I suggest they give themselves a raise, and they go, well, if I had the kind of client that had kind of budget I would certainly raise my prices. Well, let me tell you something that I've learned, and if you want to, you can look this up. But most people who plan their weddings raise their initial budget by 40 to 60% before they're done. In fact, pick a budget. People that go and buy a car. The last time you bought a car, did you stay within your budget or did you go over? Right? When it's things that you really are excited about, when they're once-in-a-lifetime purchases or they're things that you want to be sure are exactly what you want, you don't often stay within your budget because your budget is just an arbitrary number, right? Anybody planning a wedding, unless they've planned one before, really don't have an idea of how to budget for it, because what they want is not the stuff. What they want is this esoteric feeling they're going to have because they got the right ingredients, right? You are an ingredient, you know that, right? Just like the chicken is, just like the booze is, just like the guests that they're inviting, and the dress and the tux and all the decorations, those are the ingredients. The ingredients is not what they're buying. What they're trying to buy is this outcome that they have a difficult time even describing, except I just want it to go great. I just want it to go great. I don't know how. How does great happen? I don't know. Sometimes it's great, sometimes it's not. Is that what you sell? Sometimes it's great and sometimes it's not? Or do you sell great? Guaranteed. Because if you do, that's worth a lot of money. And it's worth more than the price that you're currently charging. And it's worth more to them to go and find more money in their budget, whether it be moving money around, which they don't usually do, or they just add money to the budget because they have something in front of them that they really want. See, if you're just a bunch of gear and a bunch of music and a robot behind it pushing buttons, and that's all a DJ is, then yeah, you got to stay within the price range of what everybody else charges. But I doubt that's what you sell. If that's what I was selling, I would drop an equipment off, and I would set up a playlist, and I'd go home, and I'd make money that way. Why do I got to be there? If that's all it is. But it is not. So you realize that people will raise their budgets for you. They will. Because, and the proof of it is me, and lots of people like me, who charge way more than most average DJs do. And the fact that piece of information I gave you is a real fact. Most people planning their weddings raise their budgets between 40 and 60% before they're done. Where's that money? Is it going to you? Or is it going to the lady selling the chicken because she told them that because she's doing the chicken's going to be amazing and everyone's going to talk about the chicken? And they went, wow, yeah, I should probably get that chicken and try and charge and get charged double for it. She knows how to sell what she has. She's not selling the chicken. She's selling the feeling that you get from the chicken. What are you doing? And then why are you charging so little? If you really want to leave the money on the table, that's fine, but I don't. And I'm not mad at you for doing it, but my goodness, wouldn't you like to have a raise? Wouldn't you like to be that person that picks up some of that 40 to 60% over the budget that's out there? I'd like to think that you are. Because I'd like to think that you are getting something out of listening to me. And then I've done something for you, which is give you and your family a raise. All right. that's what I got to say. People are really weird about this conversation. I really don't understand why, especially when it's me saying, hey man, you can do it. But you can. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and you can do it.